Good morning, friends. It is an absolutely perfect day here in Kauai, and today we are doing one of the most stunning hikes on the island, which is Hanakapi'ai Falls. Now, the first couple miles of the trail today start on the Kauai trail, where we'll be hiking a couple miles directly along the Napali Coastline, and then we will turn and start heading up into the canyon, where we'll scramble a couple miles up to the falls, which, from what we've heard, we should be not only able to witness the falls in all their glory, but we should be able to plunge into them and possibly even venture behind the falls. So you know we are feeling stoked for the day. We're excited to take you along.
It's hard to express in words the beauty of this place at sunrise. I hope it's coming out on camera. It's almost hard to watch your footing, even though it's slippery, because it's just so gorgeous. It's not just the coastline, but it's also these incredible mountain peaks in the clouds.
It's absolutely stunning. It ain't easy to get this all to yourself either.
We started early and we are hustling our butts. There will be about 900 people following us on the shuttles.
Yeah. Logistically, it's kind of chaotic around here, but it is worth it.
This is cool. We're headed into the jungle.
Yeah. Don't want to fall on my butt.
Okay guys, well we got a real river crossing here.
Looks sketch.
Yeah, it looks sketch, doesn't look great. I'll go first and see what happens.
Way too easy. Way too easy.
Wherever looks okay to you. Just remember the rocks are a little slick. Yeah, nice. Use those poles. Nice, Louise. Oh, she was looking confident until there. Okay, nice. Nice. Oh, don't celebrate yet. Ah, nicely done. Wow. Heck yeah.
Okay. All right. What do you think?
This is gorgeous.
Hanakapi'ai Beach. I remember the last time we were at this beach.
Really?
It was 13 years ago. It was the second hike I had ever done in my adult life. Adam's like, let's go to the falls! And I made it to this beach. I was like, I don't think I can make it to the falls. So I'm pretty sure we made it to this beach.
And we hung out.
And then we went home and drank a bunch of Mai Tais. Called it a day. So this is like my revenge mode hike to get to those dang falls.
Excellent, excellent. Well, I think the falls will be great and we still may drink Mai Tais later.
Yeah, sounds like a good deal. See that?
Guys, the worst thing about being the first ones out on trail is these spider webs everywhere. And I'm just busting through them with my face. Fortunately, I saw this one.
Oh, no.
Move, Mr. Spider.
Whoa.
I'm taking him over
Whoa.
this way.
Don't take him towards us.
Well, he just needs to
No.
stay. He's over
No.
there. He's right there.
No. Okay.
All right?
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. I'm sorry, I really just dislike you.
How does the jungle part compare to the coastline part, Elise?
I feel like you only sent me ahead because you want me to catch the spiders. Don't be all asking me these types of questions like, oh, what do you think of the jungle?
No, notice I sent you ahead on the wide part.
Uh-huh.
There's no spiders here.
Uh-huh.
It's got to be narrow for them to cast a web all the way across.
Adam thinks he's looking so cute in those waterfall shorts. Whoa! What did you do here?
That's it. You got it. Nice. You're getting pretty good at these stream crossings.
Ooh.
You got it, boo-boo. Elise,
Yeah.
It's our first view of the falls.
So pretty.
Yeah.
Probably doesn't look quite as spectacular on camera, but we're gonna get up close and
Well, they're far away. It's gonna be amazing when we get up there.
Ooh, can't wait.
Boy, there's a lot of water crossings, huh? I know, it's very slippery.
Wait, how did you do this?
To the big flat one.
Oh!
Nice.
Haha, yeah. Easy. Look at these little baby falls. So pretty.
Whoa! This is some freaking waterfall. My goodness.
Holy moly! Oh my lord!
Oh no.
What? What is this place?
This thing is massive.
There's no one here.
We're the only ones here.
Woo! Oh my goodness! Are you seeing this right now?
Oh my gosh.
Whoa!
I hope you can see this. Those falls, is it, what, a couple hundred feet high? Well, it's hundreds of feet.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Wow.
Wow. Are we getting in?
Let's go.
We have to get in.
Gotta get in. How is it? Cold?
It is so cold right now.
Oh no.
Oh my god.
Oh, you're in it now.
I am in it now. It's so cold. Am I swimming it?
Yeah. Wow, Elise is just going for it. Yes! Go, Elise! Wow, look at that little swim team captain. Are you going in? Go in the fall! Wow! How is it? Do it! Nice. Look how high the frickin' falls is. Wow. And there's our girl, swimming behind the falls. Amazing. What a trooper. Killing it back there. Unbelievable. I'm sure the lens is going to be covered in water, but I'm going to try to get behind this waterfall with Elise.
Let's do it!
Whoa! It's hard to walk.
The wind back here is crazy.
Yeah.
Whoa.
We are well and truly behind the waterfall now.
This is amazing!
This is super cool.
Can we swim across?
Yeah,
Let's
let's
swim
go.
across.
Let's go! We're in the waterfall, guys!
That's my kind of waterfall! Hanakapi'ai Falls, baby!
Yes! Highly recommend coming early. We're the only ones here.
Hope you had fun with us!
Well, see you next time out on the tropical trails. I'm gonna swim through the falls to go back.
Okay. Yeah.